You can use window functions to compute values across a set of related rows without collapsing rows with a group by clause. Right now I'm in the Analyze tab of my dataset. So we've got purchase total information for a department store. Normally, if you wanted to find the average purchase amount for each department, you would find the average and then you would group by department. So there would be one row for each department or for each categorical variable that you're grouping by. But window functions allow you to compute the average or any other aggregate functions without grouping. So we'll find the average purchase total across each department using a window function. So purchase total is the field that we want to find the aggregate function of, and then over partition by is our window function, and so we are going to partition it by each department. And if we sort by department, now we see that we've got the average purchase amount for each department, but these rows aren't collapsed like they normally would be if you did a regular group by function. You can omit the partition by clause to treat the entire result as one window. So maybe we wanted to find the total amount that the store has made. So this time we'll do sum, purchase total. And then we're just gonna do over with an open and closed parentheses, and we're gonna omit partition by. And now we've got the overall total for the store. In lieu of sum, you could use average, count, min, or max. And if you ever forget how to use the window function syntax, you can go to the Docs Assistant here and ask, how do I use window functions? And the Docs Assistant will provide all of the syntax and examples for how to use window functions.